You need to screw up to learn. You need to experience to create greatness. People never learn anything by being told. They have to find out for themselves. Never regret if it's good, it's wonderful. If it's bad, it's experience. Life will give you whatever experience is most helpful for the evolution of your consciousness. The value of experience is not in seeing much but in seeing wisely. Experience is what you get when you didn't get what you wanted, and experience is often the most valuable thing you have to offer. Experience enables you to recognize a mistake when you make it again. See any detour as an opportunity to experience new things. Experience is what you get while looking for something else. Most of the images of reality on which we base our actions are really based on vicarious experience. Experience is the teacher of all things. Experience is making mistakes and learning from them. The only source of knowledge is experience. Good decisions come from experience, and experience comes from bad decisions. Fill your life with experiences, not things. Have stories to tell, not stuff to show. Go for it, no matter how it ends. It was an experience. Experience is a lesson of the past to lessen the burden of the future. Nothing is a waste of time if you use the experience wisely. I wish you the best experience of life and the results that make you unique. See you soon.